In the case of Kenyatta University, I'll focus on mapping the stakeholders, use of narratives, and creative arts methods. Identification of stakeholders is a crucial step in the success of determining different individuals to join a team. One of the most important issues during stakeholder mapping is to try and find out how to best represent the many potential actors. At Kenyatta University, we initially used the Venn diagram to map the individuals and institutions that may play a role in shaping climate change adaptation and mitigation actions at the institution and neighboring community. Through the mapping, we identified stakeholders representing the university management, faculty members, students, community members, representatives from the county and national government. Representatives of the NGOs, CBOs, and intergovernmental organizations working on climate change initiatives were also included. We then highlighted the extent of each stakeholder's involvement. This process was largely guided by a matrix showing the name of the stakeholder, type of organization, reason for inviting them, their role in the peer participatory action research process. For instance, whether they were co-participants, key informants, or influence on policy. The matrix also showed how best to engage them, for example, through focused group discussion, meetings, interviews, or group discussions. It also showed level of engagement, for example, whether it will be regular, monthly, or irregular, that is strategically. And their contacts were also obtained for easy communication. After the identification of the intervention to be implemented by the Kenyatta University Participatory Action Research Group team, the classification of key actors changed during the course of the project. This classification process was done in collaboration with the Participatory Action Research Group members who were part of the intervention identification process. Besides stakeholders mapping, the Kenyatta University team has used narratives through the media, TV stations to be specific, both in English and Swahili, to publicize the work done by the project both locally and internationally.
Ambayo imejikita katika ufundishaji wa Kiswahili kutumia mitandao. Pia mimi ni balozi wa The Green Education Hub ambayo inaangazia masuala na mazingira katika chuo kikuu cha Kenyatta.
Mazingira.
The TV talk show's primary purpose was to create awareness among the university and community members, to publicize the work done by the project both locally and internationally.
Jeremy, welcome to our studios.
Thank you.
I hope you're well.
Thank you, Emmanuel, for having me tonight.
What is the Kenyatta University Green Educational Hub all about?
Thank you. KU Green Education Hub was launched on 11th May 2022. It's a center of information. The hub stores materials to expose students to climate information. We store local case studies, documentation in short videos. We display portraits, and these materials are co-created with the students. We give the student the chance to participate in creating materials that expose their peers to matters of sustainability issues.
Finally, in collaboration with Kenyatta University students, we have used creative arts methods like the use of portraits to present climate change information. The university has also established a Green Education Hub, which will house research, teaching, and learning materials on climate change, environmental sustainability, and conduct green education days.